In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make product animation video in Canva. 5 minutes, we'll build a clean, eye-catching promo from start to finish, perfect for social posts or ads. First, log into Canva. Once you're in, type video in the search bar and pick a template that matches your brand, or start with a blank canvas. Templates are great for quick layout ideas, while a blank page gives you full control. If you're unsure, choose a 1080p video canvas for a versatile size that works almost everywhere. Next, upload your product photos or short clips and drag them onto the canvas. Use Canva's alignment guides to center your subject, and keep important details away from the edges so nothing gets cropped on mobile. You can crop images for tighter framing and tweak brightness or contrast so the product stands out. Select your product image and open Edit Photo. If you have access to background remover, click BG Remover to isolate the product. Place that cutout on a fresh page so your background and hero shot are separate and easy to animate. For extra depth, add a soft shadow or glow after removing the background. Now set the backdrop, apply a solid brand color or search elements for gradients. Aim for strong contrast so the product pops, and keep the background simple to avoid visual noise. From elements, add a few accents like geometric shapes, abstract blobs, or themed photos such as fruit slices for a beverage product. Keep them subtle, reduce opacity if needed, and send them behind the product to create layered depth without stealing focus. Add text boxes for your product name, one or two key features, and a short call to action. Use hierarchy, bold headlines, smaller details, and consistent fonts and colors. Keep headlines to 3 to 5 impactful words and check spacing so everything breathes. Time to animate. Click any element, choose animate, and try effects like baseline for text or pop for graphics. For custom movement, use create an animation, then drag the element along the path you want and release to record that motion. Keep movements short and purposeful to avoid a busy look. Duplicate the page to build your sequence. On each copy, nudge positions, resize, or rotate slightly so the motion feels continuous, not jumpy. Adjust page duration to control the pacing of each beat. Between pages, click the plus icon and add transitions such as match and move or flow for smooth scene changes. Tweak transition speed to match the vibe. Add music from Canva's library. Trim the track. Adjust page durations for timing, and, if available, use beat sync to align cuts with the rhythm. Add gentle fade-ins and fade-outs for polish. Preview your video end to end. When you're happy, click share, then download and choose MP4 video. That's your polished product animation ready to post.